Well, things are beginning to warm up across the region, and we're not quite as cold as last week, but still not back to seasonal values. But we'll start to see more of that warmth arrive later on during the week. But today, for most of us across central and western UP, very sunny. A few clouds over Munising and Manistee, but those were only a few clouds. Didn't come with any type of moisture. And as we head into the overnight, it looks like we do remain mostly clear as well. So that will allow temperatures to drop off into the upper 20s to lower 30s. Not too bad for a lot of us, but as we head into tomorrow, that's when we'll see more of that sun and more of that warmth begin to push its way northward. Right now we are at 45 degrees with winds around 14 miles per hour. If you are right along Lake Superior, that is when you are feeling, that is where you're feeling more of the cooler temperatures. Mostly sunny though for a lot of us, seeing temperatures even warmer than that as you get farther away from the shoreline of Lake Superior. 45 in Marquette, but look off to the west. Temperatures in the 50s, and even some of us getting closer to the 60s. Crystal Falls at 61 degrees, 45 in Munising, while at 54 in Escanaba, and 45 currently in Ishpeming. For our winds, they are coming in from the north, 15 in Marquette, 13 in Houghton, while at 9 coming in from the southeast in Munising. So fairly breezy day for us. We'll notice winds really die off as we head into the overnight, and temperatures will remain around the 40s and the 60s for a couple of hours. Then as we head into the evening, it does look like we all start to become a little more uniform with our temperatures as we drop off into those upper 20s and the lower 30s. And farther downstate, you're seeing more of the 50s across most of the lower peninsula. But as we go ahead and take a look at our headlines, clear and cool throughout the overnight. Expecting mild conditions as we head into our Tuesday with a few clouds possible. It should be mostly sunny, but we do see a few more of those clouds arrive as we get into tomorrow night with that next system on its way in, which doesn't bring us any rainfall, and it will remain mostly quiet, but we do see some increase in our cloud coverage, and we'll continue to see that even as we head on into our Wednesday. Here's a look at our current setup right now, seeing a lot of that warmth beginning to fight its way back to the north and to the east, and starting to take shape here across the Great Lakes. You'll notice a few areas of rain back off to our west, and this is all going to be part of that system that works its way south and eastward, and by the time it finally arrives to us, we'll see that a lot of these showers do dissipate, so not expecting any rain from that. And for us tomorrow, another quite pleasant day as temperatures make their way into the mid and upper 50s for afternoon highs. Your futurecast model, clear tonight, not expecting any type of rainfall, or very few in any type of clouds for us. We'll see as we go into our Tuesday afternoon. Some of the clouds beginning to arrive as we head into the afternoon and evening hours, and a few areas of clouds possible for us. And there goes the little stream of rain that will be coming southward with it. But as it eventually works its way into the UP, we'll notice that a lot of that does dissipate, and it will just be clouds for us as it pushes off to the east. And after that, more sunshine on the way for us, not expecting any type of cooling off, but as we head later on into the week, that's when things really start to warm up for us. Friday, Saturday into the weekend, absolutely gorgeous. 29 degrees for our overnight low tonight, mostly clear, winds calm for us. And let's go ahead and take a look at Tuesday, because Tuesday is going to be very pleasant as well. More clouds as we head later into the evening, winds around 5 to 10 miles per hour, but take a look at your highs. 56 degrees in Lawrence, 58 in Ontonagon, approaching 70 in Crystal Falls and Florence at 67 degrees, 10 degrees warmer for us in Marquette, while only in the lower 50s in Munising at 52 degrees, 57 for Escanaba, and looking out for the upper 50s in Manistee. Tomorrow morning, our bus stop forecast will notice cool conditions, upper 20s, lower 30s. Marquette will be at 29 degrees, calm winds, and that sun coming out pretty early and for our 7-day forecast. Tuesday, 56. Cooling off slightly behind that system that pushes through. That will knock us back down into the upper 40s. For Wednesday and Thursday, lows will only be in the lower 30s, so we won't have to worry too much about that very cold air at night, but it doesn't last long. Heading closer to Friday, 50s. Saturday, we'll be at 63 degrees, although we are expecting another system to approach, so a few more clouds in store for us, but definitely we'll take that with the temperatures as they will be warming into the 60s and maybe even the middle 60s by Sunday.